Hey everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. Thanks for watching. This Monday is Make It in Minutes video where we make a card in a couple of minutes. Today we're going to be making this fun fold card using the Desert Detail stamp set. And to use this, you're also going to need some Calypso Coral ink, Pale Papaya ink. We're going to be using these gold faceted adhesive back sequins. They're really pretty. And then we're going to be using the Coordinating Designer Series paper, some Calypso Coral cardstock, basic white cardstock, and Pale Papaya cardstock. Everything you're going to need and all the measurements are going to be found on our blog, and you can find the link to that in the description of this video. But to make this card, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with our card base of Pale Papaya. This is scored at 2 1/8 on each side. So you take your trimmer, you score it here, you flip it over and score it there again. So you got your base, and all you have to do is take your pieces and you are going to fold them over and take your bone folder and give it a good crease. And then now that we have our card base folded, we're going to get our stamping out of the way. So for the front of the card, we have our "You Are What Sunshine Feels Like." Wow, I can talk. And we're going to take the flower stamp set. I didn't put our image on there yet, but it is the little small flower, and then our sentiment as well. And so we're going to stamp the flower in Pale Papaya and the sentiment in Calypso Coral. So we have that done, and now we are going to die cut out the sentiment and our Calypso Coral cardstock using the circles from the Stylish Shapes. I have ours numbered, so this is the 3rd from the largest and the 4th from the largest circles. So those are going to be on the front of the card. So I'm going to do that here real quick. So these are our pieces after we die cut them. So there's our circle, largest one. And then I had a post-it note holding my sentiment down, so that way I knew my circle was going to actually cut my sentiment. So we're going to then put those over to the side, and then we're going to take our piece of basic white and we're going to stamp on the inside using the larger flower from the stamp set here, and then the Sending Warm Rays Your Way. So the flowers are in Pale Papaya and the sentiments in that Calypso Coral. Now we're done with all of our stamping, so we're going to start assembling our card. So I'm going to put the basic white piece on the inside of our card using some glue. Then on our front panels, we're going to adhere the Calypso Coral down on both sides, and then our pieces of Designer Series paper. Next, we're going to adhere our sentiment to our circle and then put that circle on the front of our card using dimensionals only on 1/2 of the circle, so that way we could still open it up, but it still gives some dimension to our card. And then our final step is going to be taking our Take Your Pick tool and adding some of these gold sequins to the front of the card. And this is what our final card looks like. I really hope you enjoyed this card. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And if you want some more inspiration for some card making, I really encourage you to join our newsletter. The link to that is in the description of this video. And when you do that, you get 5 free tutorials plus our weekly inspiration. Thanks so much, everyone.